Have you ever heard of mixing sugar into your shampoo? Sugar is used in many recipes of body scrubs and can be added to shampoos to have a similar action on the scalp. That's right. The idea of this homemade mixture is to clean and exfoliate the scalp, removing some of its characteristic oiliness. The aim of this mixture is to do a sort of hair detox at home and remove all dead skin cells. In addition to this, sugar shampoo also promises to leave the hair more hydrated, since hair conditioners and masks can act better without dead skin cells clogging the hair. Not to mention that it also stimulates hair growth. It happens because the exfoliating massage on the scalp increases the blood circulation in the area. Isn't it amazing? Did you find the benefits of this recipe interesting? There isn't a right proportion to make your sugar shampoo, but the idea is to add just a little sugar to the shampoo when you are washing it, not to the whole bottle. All you need is to leave a glass or plastic jar with some sugar in your bathroom to use whenever you wash your hair. After that, wash your hair as usual. Remember to massage your scalp using only your fingertips, never the nails. Massage for a few seconds, then rinse to remove all the sugar. Finish your wash as usual with conditioner or hair mask. Before using the sugar mixture, do a small allergy test. Apply a small amount of your regular shampoo mixed with sugar to your scalp. If it doesn't show any signs of irritation, you are safe to use it. This mixture is super efficient and can be used in every hair, regardless of its state or type. Since the sugar shampoo does a deeper detox than others and removes almost all oiliness from the hair, it's best to do this procedure only once or twice a week. It's worth mentioning that if you put sugar in your shampoo bottle, it won't have the same exfoliating effect, as the sugar melts when in contact with liquids for too long.